What if I told you there's a level of focus where time melts, distractions vanish, and your brain becomes a precision laser? You don't just study or work, you enter a different dimension where ideas flow effortlessly, tasks get crushed like paper, and productivity feels illegal. Today, I'm going to teach you how to unlock that God tier focus, even if your current attention span is shorter than your phone's battery. This isn't motivation fluff. This is brain hacking at its finest. Let's break the system. Understand focus, it's a chemical state. Focus isn't magic. It's not about trying harder. It's about entering a neurochemical zone where distractions can't reach you. The key players: dopamine equals drive plus reward, norepinephrine equals alertness, acetylcholine equals laser targeting, serotonin equals mood plus flow. When these chemicals balance correctly, you enter what scientists call the flow state, aka 5 times faster learning, 2 times better memory, 0 times care for distractions. The 4 laws of illegal focus. Let's engineer your brain for deep focus using these 4 tactical laws. Law 1. Eliminate the hidden enemies, cognitive leak killers. Phone equals nuclear distraction. Use app blockers like Forest, Cold Turkey, Freedom. Put phone in another room or in phone jail. Box with lock timer. Yes, it exists. Visual clutter equals cognitive noise. Clean your desk. Only keep 3 things: notebook, pen, and the task. Mental clutter equals RAM drain. Use a brain dump page every session. Write down any thought that tries to interrupt you. Law 2. Trigger the focus ritual, brain priming. Elite performers don't wait to feel ready. They use rituals to switch their brain into gear. Here's yours. The illegal focus protocol, 5-minute activation. 1. Play your focus soundtrack. Same song every time equals brain anchor. 2. Sit in the same place. Location primes behavior. 3. Do 5 push-ups or 10 jumping jacks. Activates dopamine plus blood flow. 4. Count down from 10. Clap hands, say focus mode on. Do this every time. It sounds weird, but in 7 to 10 sessions, your brain will snap into focus automatically, like Pavlov's dog. Law 3. Work with your brain, not against it. Your brain isn't a robot. It runs on energy cycles. Learn to work with your ultradian rhythm, natural 90-minute peak focus waves. The 90 to 20 power cycle. 90 minutes of deep focus. 20 minutes of real recovery, no phone scrolling. Go walk, stretch, breathe. During the 90, use a timer, Pomodoro or Flomodoro, 45 to 10 to 45. No talking, no switching, no quick checks. 1 task, 1 outcome. Law 4. Stack neurochemical wins biohacks. Let's hack the brain's chemistry for focus. Neurohacks that work. Cold exposure, 30 seconds cold water on face. Instantly increases norepinephrine. Green tea plus L-theanine or coffee plus MCT oil. Smooth dopamine curve. Chew mint gum, sniff rosemary oil. Increases alertness. Standing desk or knee rocking while sitting. Keeps blood flow going. Use 1 or 2 of these before focus sessions to stack dopamine, not drain it. The Focus Master Protocol, step by step. Here's how you stack everything into a single repeatable system. Before you start, choose your task and outcome. Finish 3 biology pages plus 1 flashcard review. Set timer, 45 to 10 to 45, or full 90-minute block. Prep your station, clean desk, headphones, water. Activate ritual, music plus jumping jacks plus focus mode on. During the session, 1 tab, 1 task. Music or white noise only. Block all distractions, apps, pop-ups, people. Track progress visually, sticky note, whiteboard, timer. Break equals recovery, not scrolling. Walk, deep breaths, quick journal or gratitude. Water plus movement equals reset. After session equals micro reward. Chocolate, stretching, meme scroll, yes, but set a timer. Note progress, Reflect. How deep was my focus? What distracted me? Most people wait for focus, but real ones, they create it. It's not about willpower, it's about systems, rituals, triggers, neurohacks. You build a mental dojo, then show up like a warrior. You don't just study, you don't just work, you enter the zone. And when people ask how you do it, just smile and say, I built illegal focus. Want to see how deep it goes? Drop a brain emoji in the comments if you're going to try this protocol. And tell me, what's one distraction you're going to eliminate starting today? Like, share, and subscribe if you want more deep hacks like this. Because this channel isn't about doing more, it's about doing the right things with illegal level power.